So hopefully you guys can hear me well. We're just trying out this new microphone. There's no adapter. I got it off a YouTube channel. A little shout out to Lali. I don't know how she goes by. I just came by hers and she's saying it's pretty good. So I took her recommendation. So far so good. Yeah. And I'll continue to put some more videos out, more fall rides. It's just a little bit dangerous right now. You got the winds really picking up here, so I gotta just play it safe. And there's always tomorrow. And so you know, I did my fair share of praying. However, we'll just get back in my car, put the bike away, and then we'll pick it up. We'll make some for tomorrow. More videos come tomorrow. Alright guys, stay tuned. If you like what you hear, subscribe. Try to make some more videos. Just talking and riding. So without further ado guys, have a good one.